Hi, everyone. I wanted to talk about our next 3 weeks worth of homework. We are starting Unit 12 in Foundations, and this will be our last unit before summer. I can hardly believe it. And in this unit, we are talking about two-syllable words, like the word napkin. Now, the kids would be able to spell nap and kin because of the previous units. And then we're going to go ahead and put them together to write the whole word napkin and words like that. So this packet is coming home tomorrow, and in it are lots of activities that for the next 3 weeks I would like you and your child to work on. So for example, it gives you some ideas on how to build words with your child. It says use two index cards, and on one you could write nap, and then your child can write kin, and then you push them together to make the word napkin. And also on the second page, there's a homework guide, and I'd really like us to try and follow this homework guide. It gives you ideas for week 1, week 2, and week 3. And so these activities really should take maybe 10, 15 minutes a day for you to just sit down with your child and do some of these activities. It also has a match and memory game. They would read the first syllable of the word and then match it to the second syllable by drawing a line. On the next page, we're going to match syllables and then write the word down below, making sure that your child can read each part of the word. For example, the first one you could draw, or your child could draw a line from sun to rise to make the word sunrise. On the next page, your child can read and then divide the words into syllables. So the first one is done for you, pancake. The first syllable would be pan, the second cake, and your child can separate those words. Also in this packet are all of our trick words for this unit. So make sure your child could cut these apart, put them on the refrigerator, read them every time they want a snack. And then the final page is for some of the homework assignments that you can dictate to your child. So it's really important that, especially with the words for this week or these next 3 weeks, that you really do some extra practice because it does start getting a little bit trickier for kids. So any extra help that you can give them would be awesome. For math, we are starting geometry and a little bit more fractions for this next week. So for our homework, we have a little review first with some fact families. And then you're going to draw the shape and write the number in each empty space on the calendar below, and then answer the questions on the bottom. The next thing I have is a shape hunt. Your child should have fun trying to find these different kinds of shapes around the house. And then for a challenge on the back, you can have your child use some of the 3D shapes that you found and build new shapes, or they can use their imagination and build maybe an invention or something like that. They can also use Legos or building blocks or anything that they can think of. So that's a challenge if you have time and your child seems to be interested in that. I'm sure they'd enjoy that. So our packet isn't really going to be due for 3 weeks. Okay, so before the end of school, if you can just send that in with your child after you've done the activities or whenever you get them done. And then our math, you can, whenever you can get it done would be great. It'd be awesome by Friday, but if that doesn't work, send it in next Tuesday so you have that extra time. I think that's it for today. Thank you for everything that you're doing to help your child learn, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you.